Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade Forex on Thinkorswim. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've opened up my Thinkorswim app on my PC here. So once I've opened that up, make sure to log into your account or create an account. And then from here, I want to go ahead and click onto trade. Let's say the trade tab at the top. And now below that, we've got all products, Forex trader, futures trader, active trader, pairs trader. Want to make sure to select the Forex trader, and then below that we've got all different Forex we can trade. So we can go ahead and click the little drop down menu here and then find a pair you'd like to trade. So if I want to do AUD USD, I can go ahead and click into that, and then I can buy or sell. And where it says quantity, so I'm just using a demo account for this. As you can see on the top left hand corner, I'm in the simulated training, but this is the same if it's a real trade as well. So say if I want to buy, say, 1,000 of these, so I'm just going to go ahead, take the 0 off, and then click on buy for 0.66. And now below here we can see I've purchased 1,000 at 0.66 per. And now below here they tell you a little bit more information. So Forex order should have a quantity that is the multiple of Forex lot size of 10,000 as well.